Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of essential nutrients for faster hair growth. Trust me, these 13 top nutrients will transform your hair care routine and help you achieve that luscious locks you've always wanted. First on our list is protein, which helps strengthen your hair and prevent damage. Next, we have vitamin, known for promoting healthy scalp function and maintaining sebum production. Moving on to vitamin C. This powerhouse vitamin aids in collagen production, which is vital for hair health. Now, let's talk about biotin, a B vitamin that supports strong and healthy hair growth. Following that is silica, an element that contributes to the strength of your hair and nails. Next up is sulfur, another mineral that supports healthy growth and maintenance of tissues related to your hair, nails, and skin. Finally, let's go over zinc and copper. Zinc keeps your scalp healthy and balanced by regulating sebum production. Lastly, but not least, is vitamin D3, an essential nutrient for the overall health of your hair and skin. Incorporating these 13 essential nutrients into your diet will not only help boost your hair growth, but also improve the overall health of your skin and nails. So go ahead, give them a try, and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content like this one. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay beautiful.